Welcome to Redline Review. The 2026 Mercedes Benz Motorhome, with its hotel-like interior and state-of-the-art German engineering, redefines luxury touring. For affluent, tech-savvy travelers, this RV redefines sleek, comfortable travel. External appearance and function. The 2026 Mercedes Benz Motorhome's appearance is characterized by modern elegance. An illuminated three-pointed star symbol showing its heritage, a sculpted front fascia, and sleek lines characterize the aerodynamic body. Large panoramic windows and LED digital light headlamps that can be adjusted improve landscape views. Fast response and efficiency are provided by the high-torque 3.0-liter inline-six turbo diesel engine and 48-volt mild hybrid system. For zero-emission city access, available plug-in hybrids offer limited all-electric mobility. A luxury ride on any road is provided by the Airmatic air suspension and the 9G-tronic automatic transmission, which also offers smooth acceleration. Interior design and specifics. You'll discover sophisticated materials and ingenious design within the motorhome. Natural walnut wood, hand-finished Napa leather, and polished aluminum accents adorn the open living area. 64-color ambient LED lights allow you to create any mood. A retractable entertainment console featuring a 55-inch UHD display, Burmester 3D surround sound, and power-adjustable seating that can be turned into a queen-size bed are all features of a spacious lounge area. Kitchen dining. There is a flush-mounted induction stove in the gourmet kitchen, microwave and convection oven combination, an intelligent full-size freezer refrigerator, lovely lighting-equipped glass cabinets, stainless steel sink featuring a pull-out sprayer, 4 cushioned benches, and an expanded table are available in the adjacent dining area. Toilet, private room. The spa-like bathroom features heated tile flooring, a backlit anti-fog mirror, a rainfall shower with frameless glass doors, and high-quality brushed steel fixtures, big closets, reading lamps, and a king-size memory foam bed in a private sleeping suite. Technology and communication. Within this Mercedes Benz Motorhome, the next-generation Mercedes-Benz user experience, MBUX, consists of OLED panels measuring 12.8 inches, an assistant that speaks natural language, using satellite imagery for real-time navigation, integration of smart home technology for remote temperature, lighting, and appliance control, fast Wi-Fi and 5G internet access, driver assistance and security sophisticated technology for driving assistance. Make traveling vast distances easier. Cruise control using Distronic adaptive control, guidance assistance avoiding steering, a 3-dimensional camera, the pilot for auto parking, keeping the crosswind steady, ecological efficiency and sustainability, solar panels fitted on the roof power internal systems, and a hybrid drivetrain and regenerative braking reduce emissions and fuel usage. In brief, luxury mobility is embodied by the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, which boasts unparalleled performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. Its style, functionality, and serene comfort make it perfect for traveling the major roads in Europe or the desolate beaches.